Hey everybody, it's Wednesday, July 14th. I'm down here at Republic, Missouri, doing a follow-up to a video I filmed last night, traffic stop. Just came down here to get some information on how to file a complaint or accommodate an officer and see if I can't speak to a supervisor or maybe a public information officer on what occurred last night. Just filming a traffic stop. Got the camera, or got the flashlight pointed at me pretty much the whole time. You know, told them while I was there. Had no ill will, no ill intent. And I'm just here to document the scene. Real rude. Throwing out directives left and right. And the girl they were arresting, I'm just speculating that maybe she had some warrants or maybe no driver's license, but they were arresting her and we're going to tow her car. She had asked me to move her car, and you know, they wouldn't let me do that. And to me, that's just a case of where they're just holding the public down. You know, obviously this girl had issues with her driver's license or whatever, and they were taking her in. And I remember hearing in the video something about no money to pay a fine or whatever, and that to me that's just, you know, holding the public down. You know, they towed her car when, you know, so now that's going to cost her to get that out, and just, you know, holding her down even more. One of the things I'm noticing here right away is I've seen these on Google Earth, and that's cool, you know, got these signs up, but you really don't see them from the sidewalk as you're walking down the sidewalk. I think maybe it'd help if they were on the other side of the sidewalk so people knew what was going on. I'm filming with my handheld tripod today. Got it in a different position so I can actually set the tripod up if I want to set it down and still be able to get a decent view. So I'm in here for a complaint form and to see if I can talk to a supervisor or a public information officer about what happened last night. And yeah, let's see how this goes. This is close to home for me. Really not looking to cause any waves, but yeah, let's see how they feel about filming inside the PD. The court drop box. If you have to pay the man. I am not armed today, so that's not really an issue. This thing could use a good cleaning, that's for sure. It's like Hey, good morning. How are you? Good, good. I'm wondering if I can get a complaint form or an accommodation form. Do you guys have those available?
I can definitely check on that. Is it for anything specific?
No, just a general form.
A general complaint form?
Yes. Some departments have complaint slash accommodation forms. So if that's like an all-in-one thing, I'll take that. But if you have one of each, I'll take those.
Oh, okay. I apologize. I don't really know the information or anything. So I will check into that and get back with you. Just want to take a seat.
Thank you. I'm trying to find out if you guys have a officer complaint form. What about an accommodation form?
No.
No? Okay. Some departments have them all in one.
That's it.
Awesome.
There you go.
Great. It'd be cool if they maybe had these out here hanging up. People can just grab them. Is there a public information officer I can talk to or a supervisor?
I can call an officer in.
I really wanted to talk to somebody higher up.
Well, it has to start with an officer and then it goes higher up. Sir, what exactly are you needing?
I had basically wanted to talk with a PIO or a supervisor about an event that happened recently and make them aware of it.
This complaint?
Yes.
Okay, well, what you need to do then is go ahead and complete that,
Mm-hmm.
bring it back in. We'll give it to the lieutenant for review and then they'll contact you.
Okay.
Okay?
Is there a lieutenant I can talk with right now?
No, there isn't.
Okay.
There isn't any officers in the building right now.
Okay. And when is the chief available to speak to? Is that by appointment only?
Yes.
Okay.
And I'll give you his assistant's phone information, and that would be Chief Sells.
Great.
And there you go.
Thank you, man.
Okay?
You've been a great help. Have a great day.
Okay, you too, thank you.
So this is the complaint form. Should have asked about submitting this anonymously. So review this and see what kind of outcome we get. Be nice if the forum was a little bit more accessible. I mean, talking to a regular officer about a complaint and then it's starting there and then going up to makes me think that an officer is going to come out and he's going to make the determination right away if you know, if you're introduced to a higher up, and to me that's not cool. You know, if you ask to talk to a PIO or a supervisor, they should accommodate you and not just call a regular officer off the streets to make the call, because to me that's pointless. It looks like we got a couple of sheriff vehicles here, so let's go check them out. Post it soon. Yeah. We need to talk to somebody about this. Thin blue line is a gang flag, political flag, should not be on the vehicles. It's a political statement. You know, I think maybe when I edit this down, I'll get it to, I'll just edit it so I'm moving real fast. I'm talking like a chipmunk during this part. Hey folks, I'm here. Looks like my vehicle is safe and untouched. I gotta get the front fixed, but yeah. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.